everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I'm here with LDRS to do a product spotlight, and I absolutely love these planners that Angie came out with at Cre8tive. They're designed by Cre8tive Cre8tions. Andrea, based out of Germany, just does the most amazing illustrations. And there are also some stamp sets from the same style. So there's Listen to Your Heart, which is all about their larger stamps, so they're perfect for canvas, 12 by 12 scrapbookers. You can use elements here on cards too. And they're a foam stamp with rubber underneath, so I'll grab one of these out of here. So you've got the foam with the rubber underneath. So you've got a beautiful deep etched rubber on there. Absolutely adore these stamps. Some of the canvases and things that Angie had on her booth at Cre8tive were just amazing. So there's two of these sets. There's the Listen to Your Heart, and there's the Fly Free. I just love her feathers, Create from Your Heart, and you can see the beautiful illustrations that Andrea has put in there as well. Plus there's two smaller size stamp sets. So you have Let Love Grow and you have Huggable here. So again, you've got some beautiful sentiments. They are all in the deep etched rubber, and they're perfect for card making sizes. Of course, you could still use them in your scrapbooks or mixed media projects, but the size is more designed on the smaller side, which is perfect. So you can decide, depending on what sort of project you want to do, you can decide which one you wanted to go with. So again, you've got those two options in there, and I just love these two little owls sitting on the branch there. So, so cute. And then there are these wonderful planners, and there are accessories, stickers and things to go with these planners, and they're designed for the 4 seasons. So let's put them in some kind of order. So you've got the winter, the spring, the summer, and then the autumn over here as well. And you can pop these into journal covers, traveler's notebook covers, and included in your pack is the planner, which we're going to have a look through. You've also got some of the stickers on there as well, and as I say, there are extras available on the LDRS website, and I'll make sure they're linked in that description below the video for you as well. But again, all illustrated by Andrea. They've got no dates or anything in there, so you can use them for any occasions, any year, any month you would like. Little bits and pieces in here. You can pop your month and year at the top, and all of your memories, appointments, pictures, travels, all those kinds of things in there. And then you also have this page, which I really, really like. So you've got plans for today, brain dump and notes, personal to-dos, a business to-do. So it's great for bloggers or people who run their own creative business or any business. You've got both those for the personal and the business. You can write down your appointments for any particular day in there as well. So you've got lots of these in here, all with those beautiful, beautiful illustrations on here. So you can see as I'm kind of flicking through how gorgeous these all are. So you can then just kind of flick. Let's go to the next. I don't want to miss anything on here. So you've got all of your days there. So at the back you then have your important notes. You have an area for memories, brain dump, sketches, plans and ideas. So you could do a lovely memory layout on here. You could add pictures in, maybe tickets of where you've been as well. And then you've got another page for that in the back. And then of course your spring, your summer and your autumn are the same. So let me show you another one in here. So you have, each one of these covers a whole month. So you could do your bullet journaling, you can do your travel planners in here. So you start here with your month at a glance, and then you've got one of these sheets for every single day, which is just absolutely beautiful. Again, with Andrea's gorgeous illustrations in there, and themed to the seasons as well. I mean, I'm an absolute winter girl. I love anything. I can't wait to create Christmas cards again. I think I will be starting our Christmas in July. Maybe even in June, because I just love making them. So if I could have a planner that reflected things like this the whole year through, I just think it's beautiful. But of course, you've also got your summer in there, the girl with her flamingos and her ice cream and her watermelon. And you've got your autumn as well, with all of the pumpkin spice latte, your foxes, and of course all those wonderful details in there as well. So I hope you've enjoyed a quick look at the new travel planners from LDRS. I hope you'll hop over to the website and have a look at these. Again, links are all in that description below for you as well. But I am completely and utterly in love with these. I think they're gorgeous. And I can't wait to see what else Andrea is designing for LDRS. Thank you so much for joining me here at Hedgehog Hollow. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stamp the bell so that you get notifications of when we have our next video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'd love for you to leave me a comment, excuse me, of which is your favourite seasonal planner. And I'd love to know if you do planning and things as well. So don't forget to leave that in the comments section. I'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.
Always